Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, or in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to script your own checkpoint so that when a player touches it, and let's say they die somewhere, sometime else, and once we wait the 5 seconds to respawn, and we spawn back. So let's get started. Let's start by adding in a part. So just do part and just cover it about how big you want, and you can make it transparent. I'm gonna make it anchored and can collide false, and we're gonna name this checkpoint. And so there we go. We have our checkpoint that doesn't do anything, and we're going to insert a script into it. And in this script we're going to do local spawn equals script dot parent, and then we're going to do spawn dot touched colon connect function and hit. And so if hit and hit dot parent, if hit and hit dot parent and hit dot parent colon if hit dot, okay, 1 second, if hit and hit dot parent and hit dot parent colon find first child, and we're going to do humanoid. It's really confusing sometimes with this because we're doing like 3 or 2 parents. So then we're going to do local player equals game.players colon get player from character hit dot parent. And there we go. Let's get rid of the extra parentheses, and we'll go down and we'll go do local checkpoint data equals game.server storage colon find first child and check, and we're going to do checkpoint data, I think. Yeah, checkpoint data. And we're going to do if not checkpoint data, then checkpoint data equals instance.new, and then we're going to do model, and we're going to do colon game.server storage, and then we're going to do checkpoint data.name equals checkpoint data. And then there. That's it for that one. We can then go here and we can do local checkpoint equals checkpoint data colon find first child, and then toString, and then we're going to do player, and then dot user ID. Oh, I'm sorry, underscore user ID. And then after this, we're going to do if not checkpoint, then checkpoint equals instance.new, and then we're going to do object value, and we're going to do checkpoint data, and we're going to do checkpoint.name equals toString, and then we're going to do player.user ID. Okay, and now we can do character added colon connect, and then we're going to do a function, and then we're going to do character, and then we are going to do a wait, and then we're going to do character and then wait for child, and then we're going to do humanoid root part, and then we're going to do humanoid root part dot C frame equals game dot server storage dot checkpoint data, and then we're going to do toString and player dot user ID, and then dot value. Wait, yeah, that has to be outside the bracket, and then we're going to do dot value. Okay, oopsie. Dot value and dot C frame, and we're going to do plus vector3 dot new 0, 4, 0, and so they'll spawn 4 studs up from it. And then with these 4 ends, this one should have a parenthesis at the end, and then we're going to do checkpoint dot value equals spawn, and that should be it. So we have our part here, and we can go into it, open up the view, see if we have any errors. Nope. And so we can just jump, get past this small obstacle, and okay, we touched it, and we die, and then we wait until we respawn, and we respawn back. So now all we have to do is we just have to duplicate them. So put one right there, and duplicate it, put one right there, and duplicate it, and put one right there, and duplicate one, and put it right here. And then this one we're going to scale a little more. And there we go. And then I'm going to just select all of them, and I'm going to group them and call them spawns. No, checkpoint. Checkpoints. There we go. And there we have it. We have our working game. Not fully yet. Well, it is a fully working game now with checkpoints. So if you do that with all your obstacles, you should have an awesome obby that people will want to play. And the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to work on the instant die, so they don't have to wait the 5 seconds or whatever to respawn. Until then, bye.